Welcome back to the Agora, the place where we talk about ideas that actually move the needle in your life and career. Today we're tackling something that happens in the blink of an eye, but can shape your entire trajectory: the first impression. Research shows you have about 7 seconds. 7. So let's make them count. Here are 3 ways to make your first impression actually matter. Point 1. Your body speaks first. Before you say a single word, people have already formed an opinion, based entirely on how you carry yourself. Stand tall, make eye contact, smile like you mean it. These aren't just soft skills, they're signals. They tell people, I'm confident, I'm present, and I respect this interaction. A slouched posture or a distracted glance communicates the opposite, even if your words are perfect. So walk into every room, whether it's a job, a networking event, or even a Zoom call, like you belong there, because you do. Point 2. Lead with curiosity, not a pitch. Most people make the mistake of trying to impress by talking about themselves. Here's the counterintuitive truth. The fastest way to be memorable is to be genuinely curious about the other person. Ask a thoughtful question. Listen, like actually listen, to the answer. Then respond to what they said, not what you plan to say next. People remember how you made them feel, and nothing feels better than being truly heard. So instead of rehearsing your elevator pitch, let's rehearse your questions. The third point, follow through immediately. Here's the one most people skip. The first impression doesn't end when you walk away. It gets confirmed or destroyed by what you do next. Send that follow-up message, connect on LinkedIn, reference something specific from your conversation. That small action in the 24 hours after meeting someone is what separates the forgettable from the unforgettable. First impressions are less about being perfect and more about being intentional. Master your body language, lead with curiosity, and always follow through.